हे एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल स्क्वाट्स एंड स्टाइल। और आज का हमारा टॉपिक है वेयर टू बाय फिटनेस और वर्कआउट वेयर। तो आज मैं आपको बताने वाली हूँ कि मैं एक्चुअली कहाँ से अपने वर्कआउट वेयर और फिटनेस वेयर खरीदती हूँ। सो लेट्स बिगिन। सो गाइज, मेरे जितने भी वर्कआउट वेयर है दे आर वेरी वेरी बजट फ्रेंडली एंड दे सुपर अफोर्डेबल। सो नाउ आई एम गोना शो यू वन बाय वन. So the first thing which is very very important for women is a nice fitted sports bra, which is very important if you're running, if you're cycling, if you're doing circuit training, if you're doing CrossFit, if you're doing yoga. For everything it's very important to have a good support for your breast. So now I'm gonna show you the sports bra that I use. So guys, this one is from Decathlon, and this has a medium support and it has a zipper here. So it's just for the comfort sake, and it has a very nice fitting, very nice quality, and the back side is made out of mesh, and it's not uncomfortable, it doesn't itch, इससे कोई भी आपको चुभेगा नहीं और बहुत ही सॉफ्ट मटेरियल है. एंड इट्स वेरी ब्रीदेबल फैब्रिक एंड ये स्वेट को भी अब्जॉर्ब करता है. एंड मुझे डेकेथलॉन के सारे स्पोर्ट्स ब्रा बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है बिकॉज इसका कवरेज काफ़ी अच्छा होता है, इसका क्वालिटी काफ़ी अच्छा होता है. डेकेथलॉन की वेबसाइट भी है, अगर आपके सिटी में डेकेथलॉन नहीं है तो आप डेकेथलॉन की वेबसाइट पे जाके भी परचेज कर सकते हो. आई एम गोना मेंशन द लिंक बिलो. So the next one is also a sports bra from Decathlon, and this is how it looks. It's neon in color. I love this color. It's very beautiful. It's so beautiful, so pretty. And this is a medium coverage bra again, and this is really really good if you are into extreme training, or if you do very heavy workouts, you do weight training, or you are into running. This is really good for you. The next one is a t-shirt from HRX, and I purchased this from Myntra. I'm gonna wear and show it to you.
So guys, this is how it looks after wearing, and the material is very very comfortable, and it's also a sweat absorbing material, so I think this is a perfect t-shirt for your workouts.
Now the next one is a jegging which I'm using since last 1 year, and it's a really good quality material. This is by the brand Yoke Air, and it's available on Flipkart and Amazon both. And it has a Yoke Air logo here, and you can wear this for cycling, for gym workouts, and also for yoga. And the material is really really good, very soft material, and it's a very good quality material. And I have used it almost every alternate day to my gym, so I can definitely assure you that the quality is really good. And yeah, it absorbs sweat and it's not transparent at all, so you can wear it on anything. And you can also wear short tops, you can wear long tops as you like, and it's ankle length, so I really really love this one. Now, if you're somebody who is looking for a full support bra and you do a lot of running, and if you are into extreme sports, I would recommend you to go for a full support bra and full coverage bra, which is this one from Decathlon again. This is a perfect bra for people who are into running, who are into extreme sports, who do a lot of movements during their workout, who are also into sports, play volleyball, anything, any kind of sports. This is the perfect one. And this is again from the brand Decathlon, and I purchased it for around 1400, but this is available on discount on the Decathlon website right now. And yeah, you can also visit the Decathlon stores in your city, you may find it there.
So guys, this is how the fitting looks, and I teamed it with the yoga legging which I showed you before.
The next one is again a jegging which I purchased from Lifestyle, and this is by the brand Kappa. And it's again a very good quality material, very soft and very comfortable. I have been using this for last 1 year. This is a very very good material, you can definitely give it a try. And they also had maroon and blue color in this, but I liked gray because gray goes with all the t-shirts and all the colors, so I picked up gray. Mostly I prefer to buy black or gray, so I already had a lot of black ones, so I picked up gray. Now my next pick is this t-shirt which says 360-degree cardio train. So this is again really good for workouts, for cardios, and I really like the quality. The material is very soft. It's not polyester material, it's kind of a spandex material, and it's transparent on the back. It has a mesh on the back which looks very smart in the gym. And yeah, you can definitely go for something like this because definitely fashion is very important for me, and I think fashion is important for everybody. So you can buy this if you're comfortable wearing something which has mesh on the back, and this is very breathable material. So I think this is perfect for somebody who's into cardio.
So guys, here I teamed up this t-shirt with the kappa legging which I showed you earlier, and this is how it looks.
Now the next one is a sports tight, which is a recent purchase from Amazon, and this one has a mesh on the leg, and it's black and mint green in color, and the fitting is really good, and it's made of spandex and polyester material, and it's quite breathable, and it has pockets on the sides, but though I don't use pockets in the gym or during workout because it's very uncomfortable, but it's really good material. And again, this has mesh here, so if you like mesh you can go for this. The only problem with this one is that the mesh is not very soft as the other sportswear that I have, but still it's good. I think sometimes the mesh becomes soft after a few washes, and I haven't washed this one yet because I haven't used it. So probably after a few washes this one will turn soft. So yeah, I'll mention the link for the Amazon purchase down.
So guys, this is how it looks. It's a high waist legging, and I know I have put on some weight, so I'm kind of looking fat in this one, but I'm already working on it. And it also has an antimicrobial technology and anti-odor technology, and this is a no chaffing material, so I think this is the best for your gym workouts.
Now the next one is a t-shirt which I purchased from Flipkart very long ago, and this is a very good quality, very soft material. It's completely made of polyester. It absorbs sweat like anything, and I have been using it for last 3 years I think. And this is by the brand VXC. I'll mention the name and the purchase link in the description box. It's a very good material and I love the color, and this has lasted for last 3 years for me. Now the next one is again a t-shirt from Decathlon. This is a running t-shirt and it's completely breathable material on the back side. If you see, it's not transparent, so you can definitely wear it on your sports bra, and it's a really cute top and it has these mega sleeves. So very breathable, and you can wear it for cycling, you can wear it for running and any other sports.
So guys, this is how it looks. Though it's a yoga pant, it is very comfortable for gym workout, and it's a mid-rise legging.
Now this legging, I have been using it for last 4.5 to 5 years now, and it's such a good quality, such a good material, and many people who follow me on Instagram would have seen me working out on these pants so often. And this is by the brand Decathlon again, and it's a cycling short, but it's ankle length and you can wear it to the gym. I have worn it to the gym and I have done almost every kind of workout. So I really love the quality of this one. मेरा ये jegging I think last 3 years से मैं use कर रही हूँ, and I have seen Pooja Sharma from Rodies. She has been using a similar pant in purple color, and I think उनके पास भी ये शायद 2-3 साल से है, and वो अभी भी जब भी वर्कआउट करती है I have seen her wearing these pants, and ज़्यादातर मैंने अपने वर्कआउट रूटीन्स में भी यही पैंट रिपीट किए, and I think everybody knows it. So the next one is these cycling shorts, and you can also do yoga in these and you can work out in these. And if you're somebody who is doing home workout these days, so I think this is super comfortable, and this was available for only 400 rupees.
So guys, this is how it looks, and it's super comfortable.
Now Now, next one is a lightly padded bra, and this is again by the brand Decathlon. Now, I don't prefer these kind of sports bra because it's lightly padded and it does not give full support to the breast. So, I think if you are somebody who's only doing yoga or very light exercises, you can go for bras like this. But otherwise, people like me who work out very regularly and who do good weight trainings, cardio, running, cycling, and also doing CrossFit and all that, I think I would recommend you to go for medium support or full support bras. So guys, now let me quickly show you the other outfits that I have. So next one is a jegging again by Decathlon, and this is really comfortable. The only problem that I have with this one is it's very long and I'm just 5'2". Sometimes I just pull it on the ankles, and that's how I use it. But otherwise I don't have any problem with this one. It's really good, and I've been using this for last 2 years again. So this is a really good quality material. Now next one is again a sports t-shirt which is by the brand HRX, and this one I purchased from Myntra, and this was available on discount, and this is how it looks. It's a basketball t-shirt, and I really love the style of this one. And for me, as I told, fashion is very important wherever I am. So I think it's very trendy, very fashionable for workout in the gym as well. And if you are into running, if you are into any other kind of sports, if you're into basketball, volleyball, and if you don't have a uniform, I think this one is something you can definitely go for.
So guys, this is the kind of fitting it has and it's super comfortable.
Next one is again a t-shirt from Decathlon, and it's really good quality. It's a breathable fabric. You can use it for running and you can use it for exercises, Zumba, anything. So I really love the mint blue color, and this was available only for $299. So I think if you are visiting Decathlon, you should definitely pick up 2 to 3 t-shirts like this. These are really long lasting. So guys, that's it. Those are my workout wear, and most of my purchases are from Decathlon, Flipkart and Amazon. And I recently made a purchase from HRX as well. The only issue I noticed with HRX leggings and jeggings was that they were too long, and my height is only 5'2", and I don't like the tights which actually accumulate on the ankles. Even though they are ankle length leggings, they are a little longer than my feet. So I think if you go for international brands, the leggings are quite longer than the average size of Indian women. So I think average Indian women are in the range of 5 feet to 5'5", and mostly the brands like Nike, Puma, they have much longer leggings which don't look good on Indian women, and they accumulate on the ankles. So I think going for Indian brands is really good because it gives a very good fitting to the body. So guys, that's it for today, and hope you like my suggestions and recommendations. And if you have any feedbacks, do let me know in the comments. And if you like this video, do like and subscribe to my channel.